Welcome to PrimePix Lab. The best LED headlight kit is probably one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to your vehicle. It dramatically improves visibility, making nighttime driving safer and more comfortable. LED kits offer a brighter, clearer light compared to traditional halogen bulbs, enhancing your ability to see the road and react to potential hazards. Beyond the practical benefits, they also give your car a modern, stylish look, instantly upgrading its appearance. Number 5. HWSTAR H6054 LED Headlights for Jeep and more. Tired of dim headlights? These HWSTAR LED headlights offer a super bright upgrade with a high and low beam. They provide a modern look and are easy to install. The Z-shaped cutoff line ensures the best beam pattern, providing uniform light without blind spots. This design prevents glare for oncoming drivers and is DOT and SAE approved. These headlights use high-quality chips and a unique anti-aging circuit. This design ensures the light remains bright, even after years of use, maintaining its original intensity. These 5x7 LED headlights fit various vehicles with 5x7-inch square headlights, including Jeep Wrangler YJ, Cherokee XJ, and many more. Please check to ensure it fits your vehicle. HWSTAR offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you have any issues, contact them through the Amazon Message Center for assistance. They are here to help with any product concerns. What we like. This headlight kit offers a super bright and uniform light, ensuring no blind spots. Its sturdy build and perfect beam pattern make it a great choice for those seeking a reliable upgrade. If you are looking for a significant improvement in visibility and durability, this is the one for you. What people say. They have a nice projected even profile. I did have to adjust these down quite a bit to keep from blinding people worse than they already do. The high beam allows you to see extremely far and wide. Huge upgrade compared to the stock bulb style. Nice clean cutoff line and much brighter. Easy to install to the stock style plug. The beam pattern is perfect as long as your lights are already aimed properly, these will be perfect. There is truly no comparison between these and stock, just none whatsoever. Number 4. OXILAM H7 LED Bulbs, 400% brighter, cool white. Tired of complicated installations? These bulbs are designed with a 1:1 mini design, just like your original halogen bulbs. You can directly plug them into your socket without any extra adapters. Equipped with 8 high-bright CSP chips and 6500K cool white light, they are 400% brighter than halogen bulbs. This provides a wider and clearer view, eliminating dark spots and shadows. These bulbs use the same beam design as your original ones, ensuring a wider angle and farther range. The design prevents dazzling oncoming drivers, enhancing your safety on the road. Made with aviation aluminum and an intelligent temperature control system, they reduce power consumption by 80%. This allows them to work steadily for over 50,000 hours, a great replacement choice. They fit 98% of vehicle computer systems. If you encounter flickering or error messages, don't worry. This is a common issue that can be resolved with decoders, which we provide. What we like. These LED bulbs are designed for easy installation, requiring no additional adapters. They are significantly brighter than halogen bulbs, providing wider and clearer visibility. If you prioritize a hassle-free upgrade with increased brightness and longevity, consider these. What people say. They worked without issue, simple plug and play, fits in the stock housing without modification, and no error codes. Now my cornering lights are brighter and whiter, so all the light that comes out of my headlight units are matched to the same color temp. Wow, what a difference, very bright, now I can see when drive at night. Number 3. AUTOONE H11 H9 H8 9005 HB3 LED Bulbs Combo. These AUTOONE LED bulbs significantly improve visibility. They use high luminous efficacy CSP chips and a 1:1 halogen beam pattern, making the road safer for you and other drivers. The bulbs feature a durable design without plastic plugs, ensuring reliability. The fanless design and IP67 rating protect the bulbs from the elements, allowing them to work perfectly in any weather. Installation takes less than 10 minutes. These mini-sized, wireless LED bulbs are plug-and-play, fitting easily into your vehicle's existing housing and sockets without any hassle. These LED bulbs use less power and generate less heat than halogen bulbs. With a full aluminum body and temperature control, they provide continuous lighting for over 50,000 hours without damage. The bulbs are CAN-bus designed and fit 99% of vehicles without errors. If your vehicle's computer is sensitive, an additional decoder is available to solve any flickering issues. What we like. With a fanless design, these bulbs offer a quiet and reliable performance. The easy, plug-and-play installation makes upgrading a breeze. If you want a simple and effective upgrade without any extra noise, these are perfect for you. What people say. The 6000K white light is incredibly bright and clear, providing exceptional visibility on the road. The fog light function is particularly impressive, cutting through mist and fog with ease, and helping me see and be seen from farther away. The high beam, oh man, it really has a longer and brighter range, especially if you pass by a road that's totally dark, it would really make it bright for you. Number 2. Fahren H11H8H9 LED Light Bulb. Introducing the Fahren H11H8H9 LED Light Bulb. It's equipped with top automotive-grade chips, delivering a super bright 40000 LM at 6500K cool white. This provides a focused beam pattern for a farther lighting range. This bulb is built to last. With a whole aviation aluminum body, hollow-carved heat sink design, and a 20,000 revolutions per minute turbo cool fan, it ensures a lifespan of over 60,000 hours. Installation is a breeze. The H11 bulb features a mini design, fitting perfectly into your housing and factory sockets. It's a simple plug-and-play solution, requiring no modifications. The bulb is CAN-bus ready for 99% of vehicles. It works seamlessly with most computer systems. However, some sensitive models may need an additional CAN-bus decoder. Please verify the bulb size before purchase. Check your owner's manual or the original bulb's part number. If you need any help, feel free to contact us. What we like. These bulbs provide super bright illumination with a long lifespan, ensuring lasting performance. They are designed for easy installation, fitting perfectly into your existing setup. If you need a powerful and long-lasting lighting solution, you should choose these. What people say. The lights are bright and a definite upgrade. Installation was easy. They are much brighter than the stock halogen bulbs. Number 1. Fahren 9012 LED bulbs, 50,000 lumens, plug and play. These Fahren 9012 bulbs offer an incredible 50,000 lumens of brightness. They are designed to significantly improve visibility while driving at night. You'll experience a much clearer view of the road ahead. The design of the bulb mirrors the original, making installation a breeze. It's a direct replacement, so you won't need any extra modifications. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. The bulbs provide a focused beam, eliminating dark spots and scattered light. This ensures a safer driving experience for you and other drivers. The instant illumination provides strong penetration. Built with an all-aero aluminum body and a high-speed cooling fan, this bulb is designed for longevity. It can last for over 60,000 hours, providing reliable performance. The IP68 waterproof rating ensures it can handle any weather condition. These bulbs are compatible with nearly 99% of vehicles without causing errors or flickering. For some vehicles, a decoder may be needed. If you have any issues, support is readily available. What we like. This bulb features a direct plug-and-play design for easy installation, and offers an ultra-bright output for enhanced visibility. The long lifespan ensures lasting performance. If you are looking for a simple, yet powerful upgrade, this is the one for you. What people say. The brightness is exceptional, providing a much clearer and wider beam compared to my previous stock headlights. Installation was a breeze, it was incredibly easy to install without any hassle, and the headlights fit perfectly. In both low or high beam mode there were no flickering or noise issues. The intensity and color, very white, of the lights were impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.